Hello and welcome back to Math Snippet YouTube channel. We upload math videos and related educational videos. If you are new here, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and smash the post notification bell icon.
Welcome back to Math Snippet YouTube channel. This channel you panin plenty or math topic where I got him explanation long Tokpisin. This video by me talk long expansion and factorization of algebraic expressions. First part by me talk long expansion of algebraic expression. Number 1. The process of removing brackets from an algebraic expression and writing the result term by term is called expansion of algebraic expression. By now you must have finish long distributive law expand na simplify algebraic expression. Lo revise him tete by me look bianim gen display all law. Distributive law of multiplication over addition and subtractions are given below. Here first one you got a outside the bracket na x plus y inside the bracket. Using distributive law of multiplication or you may have column lower primary time you may have column you may have to open the bracket. Okay, so by kissing a outside the bracket multiply one time x inside the bracket and by giving you ax. A outside the bracket multiply by this la plus y and by giving you plus ay. Narapa law of multiplication where we distribute a floor and a outside the bracket multiply one time x minus y inside the bracket. So time you may like expand you kissing term by term. A multiply one time x plus term and by giving you ax. And then a multiply by minus y and by giving me minus ay. Now by distributive law of multiplication you may get a outside the bracket now x plus y plus z inside the bracket. Now opening this the bracket you make the term outside the bracket a multiply one time x and give me ax. A multiplied by plus y and give me plus ay. A multiplied by plus z and give me plus az. Number 4. When we look in negative a now is step outside the bracket. X plus y inside the bracket. So you make some sign yeah. One time this left term a. Negative a times positive x. And by giving me negative ax. Thinking negative times positive. And by giving me negative. Okay, mixing the negative a outside the bracket. Multiply one time y inside the bracket and giving me negative ay. Last one. Negative a outside the bracket. Now expanding negative a multiply one time positive x and giving me negative ax. And then negative a multiply one time negative y and giving me positive ay. So possible RM good. Me talk same negative a multiply one time negative y. Negative times negative and giving me positive ay. So in more better time you may work like expanding bracket. Kisim display all operation sign as directed number sign. And now by you expanding good time you like expanding algebraic expression. So now can talk same a negative a And then before you write in, hey, why you couldn't finish negative sign because you correct pen? Am I wrong? Kisim sign negative A and multiply one time sign negative Y and give me positive. You may look for sample example. So now you may get a 4 example here. A, B, C, and D. A you may get in 2 outside the bracket, x plus 3 inside the bracket. So we're making this plan, and by making 2 outside the bracket, multiply 1 time x, and then 2 outside the bracket, looking 2 here and positive here. We multiply 1 time positive 3 inside the bracket. So by me go all solutions for this one now. Now you may get 2 outside the bracket and positive 2. So positive 2 times positive x inside the bracket, and you make it 2x. Positive 2 outside the bracket, you multiply 1 time positive 3 inside the bracket, you can say positive 6. B, 3 outside the bracket, multiply 1 time 2b. Positive 3, multiply 1 time positive 2b, and give me positive 6b. Positive 3 outside the bracket, multiply 1 time negative 5a. Positive minus 1 time negative, and give me multiply in case negative. So positive times negative 5a, and by giving me negative 15a. Number 3. Or let us see. You may get it now. Negative 5 outside the bracket. Inside you may get b plus 2q minus 3r. Same process. Now you may looking negative 5 outside. So you must guess negative 5 multiply 1 time positive 5, and by giving me negative 5p. See negative 5 multiply 1 time positive 2q. Negative positive, and by giving me negative. So negative 5 times 2 and giving me negative 10q. And then you may get a negative 5 multiply 1 time negative 3r, and by giving me positive 15r. And last for example, you may get a negative 3m. Negative 3m outside the bracket. You multiply 1 time positive 4m squared. You may get in, or you make it negative 12m cubed. Okay? You may get 1 plus m lower power belong m1, and another plus m lower power belong m2. So same base, add the powers. Now m you got in power 3. You make it negative 3m. Now you multiply 1 time negative 3m inside the bracket. Okay, and now you got in positive 9m squared. You see negative 3m multiply 1 time positive 2. Negative times positive by giving me negative. So negative 3m you multiply 1 time positive 2, and by giving you negative 6m. So this is and by you become a this video. Stay tuned long next snippet YouTube channel lo sample more example explanation lo Tokpisin. Thank you lang lulurok this video. Tingin you subscribe. Lusim sample comment. Liking this video and sharing this video one time probably. Goodbye.